Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the predictive text in this device. So first of all, open the keyboard. So when you type anything, then you can see some predictions of words you can see here. So here I am going to type good. Okay. Now when I type good, then you can see some predictions morning, night. So here I am going to select the option night. Then again you can see some predictions. Sweet dreams. Take care, you can see. So you can see some predictions. So let me show you how to enable or disable this predictive text in this device. Go to keyboard. First of all, open the keyboard, then tap on the settings. Here you can see, tap on this one. So here you can see the option predictive text. If you disable this one, when you type anything, you will not get any predictions. You can see good night. You can see there is no predictions. To enable, go to settings, turn on this option. So simply in this way you can enable or disable the predictive text in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.